If you're rebuilding the same animations over and over again in After Effects, you're probably also rebuilding the same problems every single time. In this video, I'm going to show you how I use animation presets to build reusable motion systems that stay consistent across multiple projects and layouts. So what I have here is a simple tool lineup layout built using separate text groups for dates, cities, and venues. Now technically, I could just copy and paste animations between layers manually, but once these layouts start scaling across multiple projects, that workflow becomes difficult to manage consistently long term. Instead, I'm going to build the animation once, refine the timing and easing, and then store it as an animation preset. The goal here isn't just speed, it's consistency. Because once these animations are saved properly, they can be reused across future branded layouts without having to rebuild the motion every single time. And that also means I don't need to keep remembering exact easing, offsets, or animation timings later on. Once the preset is saved, I can simply select multiple layers and apply the same animation behavior across the entire layout. And one thing that's really useful about the animation presets inside of After Effects is that they preserve the structure and timing of the animation itself, which makes this especially useful for repeated motion systems like schedules, sports graphics, lower thirds, or branded layout templates where consistency across multiple elements is important. One important thing to be aware of when saving presets is exactly what properties you include in. In this case, I accidentally saved the source text property alongside the animation itself. So when I applied the preset across the rest of the layers, every single city inherited the same text value. Instead of just storing the animation behavior, I also stored the content itself. So generally, it's safer to isolate only the animator properties you actually want to reuse. Once these systems are built, they become incredibly easy to reuse. The goal isn't just to animate faster, it's to build motion systems that scale cleanly over time.